Okay, now how do you turn on your smart TV without using remote? For me, you can see I have a remote right here. This is Vitron 32 inches, and you can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi. The time now is 23:01. It's getting late, and you can see this is the landing page. That's the home page for this TV. You can see settings, TV assistant, open browser. When you want to download something online, you get it here. App Store, a collection of all the apps which are installed in this smart TV. You can see apps, media network, YouTube if you want to watch YouTube, Netflix as well. You can see whether this is football streaming apps. You can see I have here ClickFi, GAI Art, Remote, then finally that one. Now, someone was asking where can they turn on the TV if they can't locate the remote. For instance, I'm going to switch it off right here. It is gone. So I'm going to open my flashlight, and you can see there is this button at the back here. There is this button here. It is here. You can see this button. So when you open this, you can see this red light. Yes. So when you click this button here, it will automatically start. So now you can see the screen is lit and it is open once again. So if you don't find the remote and you want to still watch your TV, you can still use this button at the back here. Sometimes smart TVs, for example, Vitron 43 inches, the button is right here, down here. So please, you need to locate and see the features, all the features for your TV, so that you can get the control panel and other useful features which you can help you navigate through this kind of Android TV. So that's it for today, and see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.